Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with the fire alarm in my house. That is a big no no. If you tamper with the fire alarm in my house, you will get in big trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested. So do not do that. If you are coming into my house and I have my alarm on the wall or the ceiling, never get my screwdriver out and never go up to my alarm and unscrew it and take it off the wall or the ceiling. You don't do anything to it. You just leave it alone. You do not ever tamper with fire alarms in my house. That is a big no no because it's not your alarm. So don't mess with it. Bye.